Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and get CoinMarketCap application on your Android device. To install CoinMarketCap on Android, first of all open your Google Play Store. Inside the search box, type in CoinMarketCap. Once you search for the application, go to the search result and tap on this application over here and open up its info page. And then click on the install button to begin downloading the app for your Android. The download process may take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. After you wait for a while, the application will be downloaded and installed on your Android in just a couple of steps. And that is how you can easily download and get CoinMarketCap application for your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.